So we have a group shahada now, but please, for the audience, hold on to your takbir until the end. We will do it together. Hold on to it.
MashaAllah, we have here 6 additional sisters, MashaAllah. Sister, please can you tell your name and the country where you come from? Please, each one can tell your name and the country where you come from.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Angelica from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamualaikum. Good evening, everyone. My name is Judy, and I came from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Good evening, my name is Joy, I'm from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Johannes from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eileen Junisho from Philippines.
MashaAllah.
Hello, my name is Susel. I'm from Cuba. Thank you.
MashaAllah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. MashaAllah. We have got 6 sisters, 5 from Philippines and 1 from Cuba. I would like to ask this question to all the 6 sisters. I think there are 6, not 7, 6. Yes, the last one is one. Sister, do you believe that there is only one God?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Jesus is not God?
Yes.
You believe he's not God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last and final messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Are you accepting Islam out of your own free will?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Is anyone bribing you?
No.
Good, MashaAllah. Because in Islam, we cannot force anyone to accept Islam. You can accept Islam with your own, if someone forces it, is wrong. So, inshallah, what you said, what I asked you in English, I'll say in Arabic, you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
there is no God
but Allah, and I bear witness
I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger and servant of Allah.
and servant of Allah.
Takbir! 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 MashaAllah, MashaAllah sisters, we welcome you to the fold of Islam and we welcome you to the family of 2 billion Muslims. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you 5,000 people here happy. Imagine what thawab you'll get, all you sisters. You'll get the Prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you multiple times more thawab than me, inshallah. The happiness that you have caused to the people here and all those who are watching, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He help you guide your family members and your friend circle to Islam. If any sisters amongst these 6 sisters, if any sisters would like to share the experience, I would like the volunteers to give a hearing here, please. The volunteers, the lady volunteers, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I would request if any sister would like to share her experience, why she accepted Islam, 1 or 2, all of them if you want, 1 of them, 2 of them. We'd like to know what impressed you about a background. Maybe you'll be an inspiration for others also to take Shahada. And all of them if you want, 1 of them, 2 of them. You can share your experience, sister. MashaAllah, Jazakallah, sister. Takbir. Yes, sister.
Yeah, I was born Roman Catholic from Philippines, and usually my colleagues from my work currently, they're asking me why you are converting to Islam. Because usually they think that I want to get married because I want to convert Islam. At age of 12, the day morning, someone asked me about the same. So I'm sharing this also to everyone. I've been reading the Bible for when I was 12 years old, and it's just, Jesus is our God. They said that is God. But as I grow older, I know that there is one God, and which is Allah. And now I am accepting Islam, and here I am.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. May Allah reward you, and may Allah help you to guide others. And welcome to the family of Islam, sister.
Anyone else?
Would any other sister like to share some of the comments? If you share, you will help others also to come to Islam. If any other sister would like to share the experience, a few words. It strives us to strive harder. Sisters like you, they help us to continue harder to work, to do the work. MashaAllah. The first sister. Yes, sister, you're most welcome.
You can sit down.
Yes, you can sit down and talk, no problem.
She's nervous. Do you want me to say? If you allow me to say it on her behalf, because she's
Sorry?
very nervous. If you allow me to say it on her behalf, she asked me to say it on her behalf.
Yes.
Because she's nervous.
Because she's overjoyed.
She's overjoyed. She's in tears.
Yes,
but
yes,
she was
sister.
saying that what really drew her attention to Islam and Muslims is the kindness and the sharing the sharing attitude people have, and that there's no difference between rich and poor in front of Allah, except for the piety, and that was the thing that attracted her to Islam.
MashaAllah. May Allah reward you. Jazakallah, sister. May Allah reward all of you.